Hi, everyone. It's Giselle Toner, and we are back again with the Eternity Yoga website videos. And this one is Yoga for Beginners, but important information before you start. So, when we think about yoga, we always think of the poses. However, the physical aspect of yoga is just one of many different limbs of yoga. So we're going to read through this. I'm going to, of course, scroll through, and you can pause your video so that you can read through these different aspects of yoga. And as we go through, you will see different places where you could go into links and also the history of yoga and the eight limbs, okay? Those pages are also covered in this video series. So all you need to do is scroll through and every one of the links are covered. So here we go. I'll scroll down. Please feel free to pause your video to read. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the page. I'll scroll back up and I will see you in the next video.